Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Roblox font on PC. First, understand that Roblox uses a default font, but you can personalize your experience by replacing it. This process involves navigating to specific game folders and swapping out font files. It's a straightforward modification that can refresh your game's look. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure a smooth change. To begin, you'll need to locate your Roblox installation directory. Typically, this is found in your program files. Once there, navigate into the Content folder. Inside Content, you'll find another folder specifically named Fonts. This is where Roblox stores all its default typeface files, and it's the key location for our modifications. Make sure you know this path. Now, choose the new font file you wish to use. It's crucial to rename your selected font to exactly match one of the default Roblox font names, like Source Sans Pro Regular. Before replacing, consider backing up the original file. Then, simply drag and drop your renamed font into the Fonts folder, overriding the existing one. This step is critical for the change to take effect. Finally, launch Roblox and check if your new font is successfully applied throughout the interface. If you encounter any issues, like the font not displaying correctly, simply replace your custom font with the original backup files you made. This will revert Roblox to its default appearance. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your personalized Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.